Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use the whiteboard feature in Zoom. So I've opened up a new meeting. I'm going to click on the whiteboards down here. This opens up a window that will show you previous whiteboards you have worked on, a new whiteboard you can create, but I'm going to go up to templates. Templates is a great resource if you want to add structure to a meeting, use it to organize a presentation, or collaborate with your meeting participants. On the left, you will see categories that you can choose from. I'm going to choose icebreakers and team builders. And I'm going to scroll down and use the appreciation circle. This would be good for a morale booster during a team meeting. How do I want to open the board? I want to collaborate with everyone because this is a team meeting and this is an exercise for everyone. So I want everyone to access the whiteboard and edit it. Now I have the template open. This is awesome. And I can customize this template however I want. If I zoom in here, it does tell you how to use the template, how many members it works best with, and a suggested time limit. But you could customize anything however you want. You can even adjust the time. So maybe I want to spend only 5 minutes on this team activity. 5 minutes should be enough to say something we appreciate about each other. I'm going to customize this template and I'm going to change this category. Instead of awesome, I'm going to be a little bit more specific and call this taking one for the team. Now, if I want to change the shape, I can do that. These do not have to be little rectangles. They could be hearts. And let's go ahead and change the color and the outline. Very cool. So in this circle, it'll be taking one for the team. And let's say it's my turn to give someone praise. I'm going to take a sticky note right here. I could also go to this pile on the left and drag it. I'm going to write a nice message for my team member. You'll see that it looks like the text is going to be huge, but it's actually using the auto feature, so the font size will change and fit the shape you want it to be in. So my appreciation will go to Rita, thanking Rita for Rita attended the stakeholder meeting on behalf of the team. Thank you. Let's say another team member wants to like this. You can actually add emojis to your sticky notes. I hope you liked this quick tutorial on how to use a template in the whiteboard feature on Zoom. Thanks so much.